Hi there. Welcome to a very Wisconsin-centric version of Rob on the Run. Today, it's all about beer and cheese. We're going to start the day by taking a ride to Fremont, Wisconsin and checking out the Union Star Cheese Factory. We're going to try some of the world's best warm, squeaky cheese curds. Then, we're heading to Amherst, Wisconsin to visit Central Waters Brewing and see what they've got going on their 25th anniversary. Got my coffee? I'm ready to go. Well, this didn't work out exactly like I was hoping. The cheese factory, Union Star Cheese Factory in Fremont, Wisconsin, or actually in the town of Zittau, is not making cheese today. They had a power outage, so there's no cheese factory tour, so no squeaky cheese curds for me. Oh well, there's beer in my future. Well, after that disappointing start to the day with the cheese factory being closed because of the power outage, I made it up here to Amherst, Wisconsin to the Central Waters Brewing Company. Today they're celebrating 25 years in business by releasing a couple special beers. Both of these beers have been aged in bourbon barrels for the last 54 months. That's a long time. One of these are in Weller bourbon barrels, and the other one is in some sort of orange liqueur bourbon barrel. I'm going to try a sample of each and actually pick up a bottle of each. It's a bit of a cold day out here in Amherst, Wisconsin. It's actually April 1st today. Should be a lot warmer than it is, but got a little bit of a snowstorm come through here with some gusty wind, so you might be hearing a lot of wind. I am not the only one waiting here for beer. Take a look at this. This is actually one of my favorite breweries. They have an incredible barrel aging program. They have a very large warehouse here where they age all these beers. The smell inside that barrel house is amazing.
Thank you. What's that for? Another order? That's for his bag there. Oh, yeah.
I'm here at Central Waters. I just got done picking up my bottles, came inside now to the tap house to give both these beers a little try. This is the version of the 25th anniversary beer that's been aged in Weller bourbon barrels for 54 months. Let's give this a try. That's deep. It's got a nice, deep, rich flavor. This is a very nice beer. This is the version that's been aged for 54 months in an orange liqueur bourbon barrel. Definitely different. It's got more of a, almost a sweeter sort of kick to it. I like them both. Well, the whole cheese factory thing sort of was a bust because of the power outage. They weren't making cheese today, but stopped at the gas station and got me some gas station cheddar cheese. I'm gonna give this a try. Surprisingly good. It's a winning combination.
I have 6 bottles.
I'll be having lunch at the Woods restaurant here in Waupaca, Wisconsin. This is definitely a family type restaurant. Lots of families sitting here. I think I am going to have the Polish Scrambler. diced kielbasa, onions, and mushrooms with melted cheddar. I have to tell you, I'm a little worried. There were no pictures on the menu, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm ordering. Oh, this looks very hearty. Hey, that's pretty good. Well, I can tell I'm be taking probably half of this home. It's a lot of food. I gave it a good try, but that's all I can eat. The rest of this is going to be going home, and I'll have it for breakfast tomorrow. Well, this turned out to be another good day. Of course, any day I'm not locked up against my will in some institution, well, turns out to be a pretty good day. If you know, you know. The day didn't turn out exactly as I'd planned. It's too bad I couldn't taste any of those warm, fresh, squeaky cheese curds, but soon enough, I'll be back to Union Star and I'll do another episode of Rob on the Run and take you along with me. Central Waters Brewing Company turned out to be a really good hit. I was able to get there and pick up my 2 variants of bourbon barrel-aged beers. These have been aged in bourbon barrels for 54 months. That's 4.5 years. I'll be sharing these with some family and friends. Hope you're one of them. I'm guessing they're gonna like it just as much as I did. I finished up by getting brunch at Wood's Restaurant in Waupaca. That turned out to be a pretty good treat. I could tell that was a local's favorite. You know what? I did all this stuff before noon today. That's pretty cool. Quite an accomplishment for me. I have all afternoon now to, surf the internet and watch YouTube videos and subscribe to different channels. And hey, speaking of that, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I get such an adrenaline hit every time I see an email saying, so-and-so just subscribe to your channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think I can do it with your help. I had a great day today and it's only half over. I hope whatever you're doing, you're having a great day. See you next time.